The ASUS ROG Strix Hero 2 and Scar 2 gaming laptops bring intense style and specs. ASUS's second generation of the Republic of Gamers Strix Hero 2 and Scar 2 gaming laptops are designed with FPS and MOBA gamers in mind. From the high-performance components to the striking designs, these laptops exemplify the ethos of the ROG brand.
Spec-wise, the two laptops are nearly identical, enough so that for the most of these we'll cover them both in the same breath. They both offer 15.6-inch display, with the narrow bezels that have become common across standard consumer-grade laptops over the past few years. These aren't just any displays though. With 144Hz refresh rate, snappy 3ms gray-to-gray response times, and a FHD resolution under a gamer-friendly non-glare coating. All of this is powered by the latest in processors and graphics cards. Buyer will have a choice of an 8th Gen Intel Core i5 or an upgrade Core i7 paired with NVIDIA GTX 1060 GPU with 6GB of RAM or a GTX 1070 with 8GB of RAM and up to 32GB of RAM. Providing storage is an M.2 SSD slot and a hard drive bay with your choice of 1TB hybrid or standard hard disk drives. All of these high-performance components are kept cool by ASUS HyperCool Pro Tech, which through a system of heat pipes, radiators, and 12-volt blowers keeps the vital components cooled to 90 degrees Celsius even under an intense load. That can all run automatically as you game, but owners will have the option to turn on an Overboost mode to keep things nice and cool, or switch to silent mode for those times you want to game in quiet. Connectivity-wise, the Hero 2 and Scar 2 both offer 802.11 AC Wi-Fi with Intel's Wave 2 tech. This brings gigabit speeds, and when coupled with the ASUS Range Boost quad antenna design, provide greater range of reliability for wireless gamers. And of course, there's an RG45 Ethernet port for when you need to get serious. You'll also find a trio of USB-A port, a single USB-C port, mini display port, and HDMI 2.0. And of course, there's the keyboard. The Strix laptops have full-sized keyboard with numpads and are equipped with ASUS Aura Sync RGB lighting. The laptops carry over ASUS overstroke actuation point positioning, which allows for faster key activation by literally moving the trigger higher up in the keys. The Strix laptops bring plenty of power, but at just barely over an inch thick, they're not enormous beasts. You won't find mechanical keyboards here. Instead, ASUS has designed a keyboard with all these and just 1.8mm of key travel. In my brief time with the laptops, the keys are fine. Nothing amazing, but also definitely not terrible. At least there is a full-size numpad sitting off to the right side, plus a quartet of dedicated hotkeys on the left for volume controls and to fire up the ROG Gaming Center performance monitoring and setting app. And of course, because this is a gaming laptop, there are highlighted important keys. On 3 MOBA-oriented Strix Hero 2, you'll find the QWER keys replaced with translucent white key caps, while the FPS-centric Scar 2 has white WASD keys. Aesthetically, these are ROG gaming laptops through and through. The keys are a mix of materials with hard plastic, soft touch carbon fiber keyboard decks and palm rest, and a deep-finished grey brushed metal lid. The Strix Hero 2 has a cyberpunk pattern on the palm rest and diagonal 3D texture on the lid, while the Strix Scar 2 features a camouflage and Kevlar look. And you'll find more of the ASUS Aura Sync RGB lighting in the lid logo and a new light bar across the front of the base. These are very much gaming laptops, and ASUS is in no way shameful for that. Both the ASUS ROG Strix Hero 2 and ASUS ROG Strix Scar 2 will be priced starting at $1,699 for the Core i5 with GTX 1060 versions, or $2,000 for the Scar 2 with the more powerful GTX 1070 options, with availability starting now. And so that is guys a quick look at the ASUS ROG Strix Hero 2 and Scar 2 gaming laptops. Hope you enjoy it, give us a like if you do, and also subscribe for more info and updates. Thank you for watching, see you next time.